Okay, and this is the first scene of the play.
Morning, this is the payroll day for today. So for you €600 and good job. For you €300.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, now for the second scene. Okay. Honey, I got paid today from the job and I'm so happy. I got €300.
Wait, what? Only €300?
I mean, yeah.
You work, you saw your family only for €200.
Yeah, I went to work.
Your colleague wants the double money for the some work.
Okay, finished. So, we were colleagues of the first scene, and the boss gave me as a woman the minimum wage, and him the double. And then I went home to my husband, and he was starting to accuse me and assault me that I'm not good enough for anything, and I get less money than my colleague for the same work. Okay, and he started to tell me that I was leaving my family and my kids to go to work for a little money. Okay, that was it. Stop filming me.
This is the payroll paying. So man, I'm giving you your €600. Nice, your base account. And for you, your €300.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Enjoy it.
Stop. Okay. And enter. In what place? Enter and play.
Yes.
Where you
Give your idea.
what you want to
I can
do.
support one, for example. I can support someone, for example.
You can to change the character.
You change the same character. You will be her.
Yeah, so come here.
Okay. So,
And you are this character.
okay.
Again.
Okay. Hi, good morning. Today is the payroll day. You're €600. Nice. Your best account. Ha! You're €300.
Why 300?
Because it's your payroll.
We do the same work.
No, but he's
Same hours, same work.
Yes, I say you are just a woman. You are not able to do the same job like me.
But I do the same job.
No,
I
but
even
do
do
the same.
better. I have much more products made yesterday.
You get me. You, for example, you can do the same job.
I
You
do
can
the same
drive
job.
your car, but obviously he's more skilled than you driving
No,
car.
he isn't. He made mistakes. No, sorry. I'm so sorry. But I have to say it.
No, sorry.
We are both equal in our
Let's
capacity,
say
in our
that someone,
skills.
he has made mistakes because of you weren't so close. And the big mistake I have done is to hire you to the enterprise.
I have to nourish my family.
Stop. I will enter instead of you. Say. Start again. Go on.
Yes.
Go on.
I have to nourish my family. I have 3 children. I have a man. And why shouldn't we do the same work? We do it both really good. So we should have the
Ask
same
your
example.
husband to get a job because his job is to be at home.
No. She
Sorry.
is right because we have equal work, and sometimes you work more than me. So it's not fair to pay different salaries, and on the other hand, it's not legal what you want.
So-
and I will go to the police and I make a reclamation against you because you discriminate women.
Sorry, it's
Yes.
not like that because the basic salary is 300. I just given you the
I have
permission.
a contract with you, and she has
No,
the same contract.
he has take the money. Who is the basic salary in her contract? Sorry about that.
No.
But let's do something.
But why do we have
Let's do
different
something.
contracts?
Sorry about that. Let's do something. we take you 600 euro and you 300 euro. The next time 100 euro,
No, you
and
will
they
give
share with
you will give her 600 euro too. After, if not, we will left you and we'll go to television and we'll tell everybody that you discriminate women.
Oh no, television, no.
Yes.
No, we have, no, we have.
Yes, don't touch me.
You are
don't
very
touch me.
skilled. Yeah, no, you
I
are
am
very
skilled.
skilled. Yeah, very skilled. You spoke performance. So let's to negotiate. We have surely a good deal, all of together. Okay.
What kind of deal? So
For
just
example, you will be paid by commission like him, even though him has 4 years more experience than you in this company.
I have 4 years more experience than her.
Yes.
Yes, but she's very skilled and so he's able to never knows she has some years.
Okay, so let me to ask
I'm
you something.
educated in this.
Yeah,
in
she
this
is very
profession.
educated
She
and
isn't, huh? So
she
this
has
is,
a lot of
Lovely,
certificates.
but please
But I
let
wa-
me to speak because you are two against me. I am the boss. Let's do something. Could I ask you something? You are very skilled. Can you do the same job like him? Both of the jobs?
I do already.
Of course.
Okay, so you are hired. Bye.
No. You cannot hire me when you want because we have a contract and it's against the law. You cannot.
No, excuse me, I can.
Legally, you
By
can.
what
Even-
reason?
yes,
You,
of course.
By
you
what
need to
reason?
have a main reason, not because you
Yes,
are
of
not
course.
fair.
If I have
And
you-
I'll go to
yeah.
television.
We go
Go to the
both
television,
together.
but
We-
go
I
to
think
the
we should go
television.
to the
I'm gonna
police,
call
I'm
something.
sorry.
I'm gonna call